Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change font style on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, font style customization offers various options to alter the look of your device interface. You can select fonts with different characteristics such as serif, sans serif, cursive, or bold, enhancing the overall aesthetics and readability. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings on your device. Okay, next you can scroll down and select display option. So on this page, scroll a little bit and find font size and style option. Tap on it. Okay, next you can select font style menu. And here you will find the available font style on your device. Just tap on it to apply a new font style. But if you want to get the other font style, then simply tap on the download fonts option here. And over here, you will find many font styles that you can apply to your device after downloading it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font style on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.